What's going on? This is the Resilient Banker, Jeremy, with this awesome partnership with AT&T, right? So make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click the link below, right? Make sure you click the link below to make sure you get the see your eligibility for, becoming a AT&T customer, right? So the first thing we're going to start off with is this is going to be a tutorial on how to navigate the AT&T website. Also, but what we're going to start out with the AT&T guarantee, right? So the AT&T guarantee is America's best guarantee. There's no extra charges when you actually join with AT&T. This is just going to tell you that you're going to be able to stay connected to your family pretty much, right? Stay connected wirelessly, home internet, and deals, right? Customer care, prompt customer care when it comes to the AT&T guarantee, right? And make sure also you can also get your fiber from this website, right? You can also get your latest iPhones on this website, right? All you have to do is go to the top, right? Everything should be navigated at the top. So this is going to be for personal and business, right? So if you're a business owner, make sure you click business, right? In order to get your business lines connected, right? Then we're going to go through some deals that are actually running for AT&T. You can get smartwatches from this website. You can get um, Apple iPhones, you can get tablets, right? We can pretty much anything that you could be able to get from a regular store, you will be able to get on this website. So make sure that you actually use the link below to actually see your eligibility and see if we have fiber in your area, to see if we even have these deals in your area. You definitely want to click the link in the description so we can actually get you started, right? Either you're gonna do, and if you're a business owner, click business. If you're personal, click personal, right? But the AT&T guarantee is the guarantee for the customers, right? And I always tell people you might as well bundle it, right? There's no use in having a Verizon cell phone with a internet from AT&T, right? You should bundle it together so you can save money, right? It's all about your savings when it comes to this economy nowadays, right? But this right here shows the AT&T guarantee. Everything got check marks except for the other carriers, right? We're not going to talk bad about the other carriers. We're just going to show the proof, right? We're going to show the proof on our website, right? Keeping your business connected. Remember I told you AT&T business, right? For my business clients, make sure you explore the AT&T business and explore AT&T guarantee for business, right? Because we also have that for business. What is the AT&T guarantee, right? You can go ahead and get in connectivity you depend on, right? Those are the main things, main key points that we want to show on this slide, right? But this is just going to be a tutorial on how to actually, look up deals on here, right? If you want to look up deals on the Apple iPhone, let's click the Apple iPhone and see what comes up, right? And these are going to be your deals on with the plans, right? All you have to do is go to see your device offer, right? Click see your device offer and see what pops up, right? So you'll be able to do that. You'll be able to find Google. You will be able to navigate over here if you want to get an Android, right? Samsung, right? Google Pixel, right? Whatever cell phone you want, you can just go to the link in the description and let's see if you're eligible for that phone or tablet, right? And also, you want to go up here and you want to look for internet, right? You want to see your eligibility for internet. You want to go to check availability, right? Check availability to see if fiber is in your area, right? And what you would do is you would type your address right here, and then you'll let it know if it's a business address to see if you're eligible to get the fiber, AT&T fiber in your area. You'll click check availability and see if it's in your area. And once it's in your area, we can get a tech out to your house ASAP, right? So you definitely want to tap in with that, right? So, and then you also have, if you ever need any any other services, right? We do other services as far as internet air. We do tablets, right? Different phones. But this is just pretty much just the basics of how to actually access the AT&T website. But make sure you click the link below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you at the beaches and the banks. Peace.